For years, marketing was simple. You find the right keywords, you rank a search, you win the click. That was the game, but now something is shifting. In 2026, consumers are tired. They are tired of being tracked, they are tired of being predicted, they are tired of seeing ads that feels like surveillance. Welcome to what I call the death of the keyword era. The algorithm used to be the gateway to visibility, and now it's becoming the reason people are opting out. Today, we are breaking down why transparency is the new SEO, why intent beats impression, and how consumer research is the only way brands will survive this shift. Consumers are no longer searching, they are escaping. They want human-led recommendations, private communities, created newsletters, independent platforms that feel safe, and spaces that do not feel like you're being watched. This is what we call algorithm fatigue. People are overwhelmed by predictive feeds because they are craving discovery that feels intentional and not manipulated. For brands, what do they want? They want relevance, they want trust, they want conversions, they want loyalty, not just traffic, not just impressions, but real intent. But the problem now is most brands are still optimizing for 218. They are chasing keywords, they are feeding algorithms, they're scaling paid ads. They are obsessing over visibility inside platforms that people are already disengaging from. They believe that more data equals more power. But consumers are growing skeptical of AI-driven data collection. Privacy concerns are rising, trust levels are fragmenting. And here is where it gets interesting. Not all consumers fear data the same way. Some are comfortable with personalization, some tolerate it, some actively avoid it, and some completely reject algorithm-driven environments. Yet brands treat everyone like one single audience. That disconnect, that is where performance is dying. So what do we do now? If keywords are losing dominance, what replaces them? Intent mapping, privacy-based segmentation, human-centered discovery ecosystems. Let me introduce something powerful called privacy archetypes. Instead of segmenting your audience by age, income, or location, you segment them by trust level towards AI and data collection. For example, the convenience optimizers. They love personalization, so they trade data for ease. The conscious observers. They use algorithm, but they limit permissions. The digital minimalists, they avoid targeted ads but prefer private spaces. Then the privacy maximalists, they actively reject algorithm-driven platforms but rely on trusted human recommendations. Now, imagine building campaigns based on these archetypes. For the privacy maximalists, you focus on niched newsletters, private communities, referral-based marketing, independent creator collaborations. For convenience optimizers, you leverage on AI recommendations. This is where consumer research becomes your superpower because research helps you to identify where your audience is quietly migrating, which platforms they trust, which ecosystem feels human, which environment feels intrusive. So this anti-algorithm strategy is not about rejecting technology. It's about understanding behavior shifts before your competitors do. So what does this all mean? It means visibility without trust is noise. It means impressions without intent are expensive distractions. It means the brands that will win in 2026 will not be the loudest, but the most trusted. Transparency is the new SEO. Clarity is the new clickbait. Human endorsement is the new ranking signal. And if you are still building strategy purely around keywords, then you are optimizing for a world that is quietly disappearing. In the next video, I'll show you how brands can make use of predictive insights without triggering discomfort or that subtle feeling of being watched. Because data is powerful, but power without sensitivity destroys trust. We'll break down how to design personalization that feels helpful and not intrusive. We'll talk about how to balance intelligence with consent and how to use research to understand the line between relevance and surveillance. If you care about future-ready marketing, ethical data strategy, and building trust in an AI-heavy world, then this channel is for you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss subsequent videos. You can also explore the channel for other related videos like the one showing on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.